So here's everything that comes in the kit with it. So this is going to be for the front split first. Basically all the rivets, washers. What's inside here is cards. They're in essence thank you cards for doing business with us. You get some stickers. And you get the instructions. So that's for the front split. Okay, so basically I already removed this because I had it removed already, so I'm not going to put it back on to show you guys. But so the deflector, you're going to remove the deflector over in front of each wheel. You can put them back on, and you will, but for now you're going to remove them. So you got to remove the O screws, and then you have to remove a couple more. So you're going to remove all the screws all the way along. So start at one end and just right along that cowl, or the deflector, sorry guys. So you're going to remove these, that one, these are going to be the first ones you're going to be putting back on. So these are all 7mm, except for when I said in the video at the beginning, I said you needed a 7mm socket for this. You're actually going to need, I think it's a 10mm that I had to grab. Yeah, so you're going to need a 10mm socket as well, which is the next one. And you need a deep neck socket. For the next part, you need a 10mm deep neck socket. You're going to take that one off. And this is actually a nut with a washer. So the groove in here, you guys have a little slot where it goes up. You're not taking that one out. Keep going across to the other side. You don't take any out along here. All the way over to the next nut. And you're going to take that one out. Then you're going to switch back over. Take this. So there's a few others along the way, but I already had them out. So you have to take a couple more out than what I did. Okay, so you got all the screws out, got everything taken out, and then what you're going to do is you're going to clean it. So everywhere where it's going to go up in, you're going to clean it. Okay, so this is where you're going to fit it up. So actually what I'm going to do is I'm going to put some anti-seize on these bolts, because I think I'm going to put these ones in first. And I like to put anti-seize on stuff. So ideally you want 2 people, which I don't have. So we'll see how this goes with one person. I'm going to do my best trying not to break this. But you pretty much can't put it in the wrong spot because they have all the holes aligned. Wow, that is like a really good fit. There's like, you have no choice on where this is gonna go. Okay, apparently I hit the camera somewhere along the way. Sorry guys, so if you missed a few spots. I checked the fitment. It looks good. I'm just gonna start putting these screws back in. I'm starting with the ones that are for the deflector, because they seem to be the most challenging to find a home for. Okay, so this is how you put the rivets together. So you have a washer, you have the pop rivet, and you put the washer on. Gonna drill the holes, we're gonna push them in like that. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna drill a couple holes, get it tight, and then we'll get them all done. So I'm gonna start, as per the instructions, I'm gonna start in the center. So I checked the fit, everything is good. I like it. But actually I think I'm gonna start right here, because this seems to be the lowest spot. Drill a hole. Grab a rivet. Push it in, make sure it's nice and tight. That's it. Okay, so I'm gonna get a bunch of these done, because there is a lot. So now I'm just gonna go around and make sure I didn't miss any. And make sure all my screws and bolts are tight. Because there is a lot of pop rivets. So I missed one, found one I missed right here. So we'll put that one in. They're also very hard to see where they go. So you're just gonna keep looking around, see if you missed any. There's one back here, but I don't think I can get that in, so I'm not going to do that one. All the way up to the front. Okay, that's it. It's a lot of pop rivets. I'll show you what she looks like. Okay, here's what the front split looks like finished and installed with the flares. Got them on. So it's pretty nice. Nice product, nice quality, a lot of work to put it on. Doesn't stick out too far from the front end, so it doesn't add that much to it. I'd say about 2 inches, but overall it looks really good. Once I get the car finished off, get it on the road, I'll show you guys what it looks like with everything done, including the rockers on the side. I'll show you what she looks like. Okay, hope this helps you guys. Enjoy. Bye.